All right, everybody, here is your core bites number 56. So make sure you make your corrections and let us know if you have any questions about any of these. So the first one, we're working on our multiplication facts. So 8 times something gives us 48. So you could either think 8 times something or something times 8, and your answer is going to be 6. And remember, it's commutative, so you could say 8 times 6 is 48, 6 times 8 is 48. For number 2, how do you write this number using digits? So you read it 128. So you would write it 128. Comparing and contrasting decimals. Less than, greater than, or equal to. So we have 3/10 and 4/100. So remember, the closer the number is to the decimal and the larger it is, the greater it is. So 3/10 is greater than 4/100. Then we have 33/100. We have 330 thousandths. But if you think about it, guys, if that 0, they both have 0 right there. So those are actually equal, because the 0 is just a placeholder. And then here we have 333 thousandths, and then we have 40 hundredths, okay? The 4 is larger than the 3, even though this number looks bigger, the 4 is larger than that 3 that's in the 10th place, so you would say that this number is less than this number. This number is bigger, it's larger. For your angles, you've got to try to find the missing value. So you know that the whole angle is 80 degrees. This piece is 20. So you're trying to find the missing piece. So all you do is subtract 80 and then subtract the 20 from 80 to find the missing part. So if you do 80 to subtract right there, so subtract it. So 0 minus 0 is 0. 8 minus 2 is 6. So your missing angle would be 60 degrees. And then for your last one, it asks, what type of triangle is this? So as you can see, these little congruent symbols mean that all of them are a different size. So we know equilateral has to have at least 2 sides the same. Isosceles, sorry, no, that's wrong. Equilateral has to have all of them the same, because equa, the prefix right there, equa, or the Greek and Latin root here, it means they're all the same. Isosceles is the one that has to have 2 congruent sides. And in scaling, they can all be different sizes. So the answer for this one would be scaling. And we said that because none of the sides are congruent. All right, so make your changes.